Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Magdalene. On this channel I talk about fashion, travel and lifestyle. And if you're an OG, thank you for always coming back to watch my channel. So today I'll be talking about my new in luxury designer haul. I got a dress and a bag, and I got it from the pre-loved market. I used to tell you guys that if you want luxury and it's your first time dipping your hands into luxury, definitely check out the pre-loved market. So it came in a box and I will tell you all about it when we get into it. Typically when you buy from THEREALREAL, it comes in a dust bag. That's giving you the designer treatment, I guess. So I wonder why my dress is in a dust bag. So this is a very nice mini dress. I can't remember the prices because from the tags I can't really tell the prices. THEREALREAL does not really state the prices on the items. So it's this mini dress. It's a very nice edgy mini dress, like more like a statement dress. It's I can't really tell the color. I just knew it was giving this tie and dye prints. So but apparently it is not really tie and dye, you know, it's not scattered all over it. It's a very nice chic dress. It has its own inner lining, more like a singlet. So this comes inside it. It's an inner lining that comes more like a singlet, and I'm loving that. So you don't have to worry about wearing an underwear so that because it's not supposed to be see-through, but it's kind of see-through. So the material is thick, but look at the fact that it's a little bit see-through, so they put an under lining inside, more like a singlet inside it. I wish the singlet was detachable though, because this you can't really adjust it, and it's also not adjustable. So if my shoulders are, if it does not fit my shoulder, then I will have to find a way around it. So I really wish this was detachable, though the way it is hemmed on it, you can actually detach it if you want, but if you detach it, it actually defeats the fact that it was a designer brand. So the name of the brand is Algie and King. So on the review I saw it as medium, because I am typically a medium, a size medium. That's so for reference. If you want to know about my sizing, I am 5'6" and I'm a medium size. Sometimes in all the materials I buy, I'm actually in the medium or a medium. Then if the material is a little bit stretchy, I can do with a small. This one I'm wearing is a small and it's stretchy, so I can still do well with the small. But anyway, this dress is really nice. You see it in the inside. I love the way it's filled. It's giving me bougie on a budget. It's extra small for Algie and King brand. It's a budding designer brand, and I loved it. I love it so much because I was like, this is really nice for a very cheap price. And when it came, I'm loving it. So I just really wish it was a little bit long as a midi dress, but as advertised on the website, it is a mini dress, so I'm not mad about that. It is really nice. It has this drop down detail from the back, like it's a little bit, I don't know how to describe it, maybe a plunging back. Then it has a hook at the back. So I've worn the dress and I'm like, this is nice. So this dress, I love the dress because it gives a little bit bougie on a budget, and it's a designer brand that I'm trying my hands out. And because I felt the item feels rich, beautiful and uniquely designed, I may be getting more items from them, hopefully. Fingers crossed if the exchange rate does not end me by then. So I'm going to I got it in yellow because I was like, I needed a pop of color in my house, in my closet. So you can see this is the real. It came in its own dust bag as usual, and this is the bag. It's a yellow bag, uniquely designed. I almost lost this bag when I put it, because I always put the items I think I want on my wish list. I add it to my wish list on the real. So if there is a price drop, I would know. Then I start pulling funds together. But this one, I almost lost because it almost got sold. I had to purchase it almost immediately. A very nice yellow bag. I love this rich yellow, really beautiful yellow. Very cute, and you can see it's case spade. So the zipper, I assumed when I saw the picture that the zipper is from here. It has an inner zipper here, you can see, but not knowing that it also has its own main zipper in the middle. So this is a midi size bag that can fit enough, can fit a lot. Then one thing about the review, they tell you the actual state of the bag. So they stated that it's a little bit stained inside, and if you pay attention you will see it in the camera. So that is where it's stained. So I'm not mad at it because I saw that written on the website. So this is one thing I love about the review. It tells you the condition of the item. Then it has another inner pocket, and I love bags that have inner pockets. So this is perfect. So to me, it's a nice work bag. It can fit in lots. You can fit in your jotter. You can fit in as much as you want into this bag, which is beautiful. It doesn't have a crossbody, so you can't switch how you carry it. It is just a shoulder bag, or you can carry it as a top handle bag. It depends on the kind of girl you are. I am more of a shoulder bag girl, and you can see it's popping with this dress. A very nice pop of color. That's actually why I got it. And it's even color blocking with my earrings, you see. So that's the vibe I wanted with this bag. I wanted a bag when I'm shopping my designer brand to be something I can wear with my existing closet. My Michael Kors bag, apart from the recently brown bag I got, the first designer bag I got, which is like a peach, like a pink, pastel pink Michael Kors bag, that I've not really worn so much, just because it's not fitting nicely into what I already have in my closet. But this is going to get worn, like it's going to really fit in nicely. And I love the fact that I finally knocked off a bed bag in my wish list. So the other item, which another brand I'm looking at on my wish list, is Marc Jacobs bag. So if you've not watched my Marc Jacobs, if you've not watched my luxury wish list, definitely check it out. Marc Jacobs and Jacquemus, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you another time. Bye.